trying not to. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing an absolutely glossy nude lip. Now I'm not one for the gloss, but you guys have requested this video and I'm here to give it to you. I'm here to give you all the tea, all the sauce on this lip. Nothing else. I got no tea and no sauce on anything else. So guys, without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. So guys, you're going to need three things. You're going to need a dark brown lippy, you're going to need a light brown lippy, and you're going to need a lip gloss. If you are like me and do not know how to apply lipstick nicely without a brush, then you're going to need a brush. Okay, so I really like these angled brushes. So first thing first, you're going to dip your brush into your dark lipstick, your dark brown lipstick, and you're going to line your lips. Guys, I really went looking for these lipsticks for you guys. Try not to go over the glow. And now take whatever's left and like blend it. This actually looks like my normal lip color. And blend it. So that's what it's going to look like. Now that's just step one. Next, you're going to go in with the light color onto your brush and place it in the center. Press up and down. Up. Not press up and down. Press your lip. Press your upper lip and lower lip together continuously. That's how you create an ombre. That's the easy way. Now you can leave it like this. Well, I like it like this. I don't wear gloss, but like if you want gloss. Oh, okay, that's way too much. You can add a whole lot more. You can go in and just like drown your lips in gloss, but since I personally like it just like with one coat, I don't like to overput it because then it like goes into the center and gets like clumpy, which I don't like. This works for me. This is what works for me. I cannot have too much of lip gloss or lipstick on my lips. That's why I prefer going in with a matte. But since this video was requested, here you guys go. So this is what it looks like. Super simple, super easy. It's elegant. It's really elegant. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back with another amazing video. So, and guys, don't forget to enter my giveaway because I will be giving away another take a look voucher.